Hello viewers, welcome back to IT System Admin. Do you want a fresh Instagram identity? Let's change your username in seconds on your phone. Tap to Instagram app, click on your profile icon on lower right corner, then click on menu option on upper right corner. Go to Account Center, click on Profile and then select your Instagram profile. Now click on Username. Select your Instagram username. Now you can change your username. Make sure your username must be globally unique. I have changed my username. The green tick mark will ensure you that your username is unique and accepted. Now click on Done to finish. Got your new username? Subscribe now for more quick Instagram tips. Thank you very much.